Welcome back to Arch Zenith. Have you ever scrolled through interior design feeds and felt that pinch? That mix of inspiration and, let's be honest, pure intimidation. The dream sofa costs more than your first car, and a custom coffee table might as well be a down payment on a house. It can feel like designing a home you truly love is a luxury reserved for a select few. But what if I told you that the most captivating, personal, and soulful homes aren't built from a catalogue, but from a story? What if the secret to a dream home isn't a massive budget, but a bit of creativity and the courage to see potential where others see waste? The truth is, your home's unique character is waiting to be uncovered, not just purchased. Welcome to a new way of thinking about your space. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of upcycled furniture and sustainable interior design. We're moving beyond basic DIY and into the realm of budget home makeovers that don't just save you money, they create a space that is utterly and uniquely you. Forget generic, we're hunting for character. So, if you're ready to transform your space without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. We're about to unlock the secrets to designing a home that's full of life, history, and your personal touch. Stick around, because your dream home is closer than you think. Segment 1. The Treasure Hunt Masterclass, Sourcing with a Designer's Eye. The first secret, the absolute foundation of great upcycling, isn't in the workshop, it's in the hunt. You have to learn to see the bones of a piece, not just its current, often dated, surface. I tell my clients to ignore the ugly 90s floral fabric or the chipped orange varnish. Instead, look for solid construction, interesting silhouettes, and good proportions. Is it sturdy? Does it have a beautiful shape you can appreciate even beneath the mess? That's your canvas. So, where do we find these hidden gems? Your new best friends are Facebook Marketplace treasure hunting, local estate sales, and even the humble curb on bulk trash day. Don't sleep on your local charity shops or Habitat for Humanity restores. The algorithm is your ally here. Set up alerts for keywords like solid wood, vintage, or needs work. The goal is to be the first to spot the potential. This is where you'll find pieces with a history, pieces that mass-produced flat-pack furniture can never replicate. Now, let's talk strategy. The most successful upcyclers have a mental checklist. First, material. Solid wood is king because it can be sanded, stained, and reshaped. Particle board can be tricky, but it's not always a deal breaker for smaller projects. Second, structural integrity. A little wobble can often be fixed with wood glue and clamps, but major cracks or water damage might be more trouble than it's worth. And third, my personal favorite, unique details. Carved legs, dovetailed joints, original hardware, these are the elements that add soul and are often impossible to find new. I had a client, Sarah, who was desperate for a dining table but had a tiny budget. We found a hideous solid oak door for $20 at a salvage yard. We added some hairpin legs we found online, sanded it down, and sealed it with a matte finish. It's now the stunning, conversational centerpiece of her home. That's the power of seeing the potential. The hunt is half the fun, and it's where your journey to a unique home begins. Segment 2: Beyond Paint, the art of creative transformation. All right, you found your diamond in the rough. Now what? If your mind immediately goes to a coat of paint, I want you to think bigger. While paint is a powerful tool, it's just the beginning. The real magic, the true furniture flip ideas that will make your space sing, come from creative combinations and techniques that add texture and depth. We're moving from a simple refresh to a full-blown transformation. Let's talk about some fresh ideas that are trending right now. First up, texture mixing. Imagine a simple, blocky dresser. Instead of just painting it, you replace the drawer fronts with cane webbing or rattan. Instantly, you have light, airy texture that feels both modern and boho. Another technique is lime washing or whitewashing over solid wood. This allows the beautiful wood grain to show through while giving it a soft, weathered, Scandinavian feel. It's a fantastic alternative to opaque paint. Then there's the power of decoupage, but we're not talking your grandmother's floral prints. I'm seeing incredible thrift flip aesthetics using vintage maps, pages from old art books, or even bold, modern wallpaper scraps to line the inside of a bookshelf or the top of a side table. It's an instant art piece. And don't forget hardware. Swapping out boring knobs for something unique. Think artisan ceramic pulls, sleek brass bars, or even repurposed items like leather straps can completely redefine a piece's personality. The philosophy here is designer hacking. We're taking a basic, inexpensive item and injecting high-end design elements. For example, take a generic, second-hand IKEA dresser, the perfect candidate for a IKEA hack. You could add molding to the front to create a shaker-style panel look, then finish it with a rich, moody green chalk paint and new brass handles. Suddenly, that $50 piece looks like a custom, high-end design. It's about using creativity as your primary currency. Segment 3: The sustainable and stylish home. Why upcycling wins. Now, let's pause for a moment and talk about the bigger picture. What we're doing here isn't just about saving money, it's a conscious choice. It's a move towards a sustainable home decor ethos and a powerful rejection of the fast furniture culture. The furniture industry is one of the largest contributors to landfill waste, with millions of tons of poorly made pieces being thrown out every year. Each piece we save is a small victory for our planet. But beyond the incredible environmental benefit, there's a profound personal one. A home filled with pieces you've breathed new life into has a different energy. It has a soul. This isn't just a table. It's the table you transformed with your best friend over a weekend. The one with the little paint smear underneath that you decided to keep as a memory. This connection to our belongings fosters a mindful living mindset. We care for them more, we keep them longer, and they tell the story of our lives. This approach also aligns perfectly with some of the biggest interior design trends of 2025, like the core aesthetic, which is all about authenticity, personal history, and a mix of styles that feel collected over time, not bought in a day. It's the opposite of the sterile showroom look. Your upcycled, one-of-a-kind side table fits this trend perfectly. It's also the heart of grand millennial style, which blends traditional, often inherited or found, pieces with modern comforts. Ultimately, designing this way gives you something no store-bought item ever can. Absolute creative freedom. You are not limited by what's available or in stock. If you want a vibrant, terracotta-colored cabinet with black and white striped interior, you can make it. Your home becomes a true reflection of your personality, not a replica of a Pinterest board. It's authentic, it's sustainable, and frankly, it's a lot more fun. Segment 4. Your action plan from inspiration to creation. So, you're inspired. You're ready to start your first beginner furniture upcycling project. That's fantastic. Let's break down the journey from I have this ugly chair to I can't believe I made this into a simple, actionable plan. The key is to start small. Don't begin with your grandmother's heirloom armoire. A simple side table, a wooden stool, or a picture frame is the perfect first project to build your skills and confidence. First, preparation is everything. Your toolkit doesn't need to be huge, but a few basics are non-negotiable. A good sander or sanding blocks, high-quality brushes, wood filler, a screwdriver, and, of course, your chosen finishes. And please, safety first. Gloves, a mask for sanding and spraying, and eye protection are not suggestions. They are essentials. A well-prepared piece is 90% of a successful finish. That means a thorough, clean, and a proper sanding to create a surface your paint or stain can properly adhere to. Next, embrace the process. Your first piece might not be perfect, and that's more than okay. It's part of the charm. Maybe the stain is a little uneven, giving it a rustic look. Maybe your paint has a slight texture. These aren't mistakes. They're proof of the human hand that made it. This is where you learn, you experiment, and you discover your own style. Do you love a high-gloss finish, or are you a matte person? Do you prefer the warmth of natural wood, or the drama of dark painted pieces? Finally, integrate your masterpiece. When you place your finished piece in your home, style it with intention. Put a beautiful lamp on that upcycled side table. Stack your favorite books on that shelf you brought back to life. See how it interacts with the rest of your space. This is the final and most rewarding step. You've not only created a functional object, but you've also injected a piece of your story into the very fabric of your home. Remember, your dream home isn't about perfection. It's about personality. It's about the stories your furniture tells. It's about the sustainable choices that feel good for your soul and your wallet. So get out there, find that forgotten piece, and unlock its potential. If this inspired you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more ways to design a home you love without the designer price tag. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's the first piece you're going to upcycle? Or what's your biggest fear about starting? Let's chat in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, create the home you love, one upcycled piece at a time.